That's the ice bar. Guys, you should see this. Stop. Okay, final take. Whoa. You're seeing this? Yo. This is so cute. Off we're going. Ta-da. I ate, I had coffee. Now we're heading to the library. And it's raining. So I'm so glad I wore this jacket today. And I'm glad I brought the vitamin C's because also no more biking as you can see. But yeah, look at the streets. Okay, got my ticket. I'm very scared. There's this guy. He threw orange at me. He asked if I have money. I didn't give him because I don't have cash. He threw orange at me. And he's followed me through the gate. I'm scared. Central Station. Oh my god, it's pink. Is so pretty. If this was in Houston, you best believe I'm getting my law degree. I'm getting a PhD. Anything to study and rot in here. Lost my train ticket. That was $9. I swear. The pool, the same pool. Hello. Hello. This you? Oh yeah, macho man. Back some gifts. It's really cute. What's that? Thanksgiving, Christmas. And lipstick. I was in a dilemma whether I should bike or take public transportation. I decided to bike. That's crazy. I never learned my lesson. Wow. It's faster though. And that was kind of scary this morning. What happened? So, yeah. Wish me luck, guys. You know, at least I'm more familiar. So today will be a tad bit better than yesterday. And that's progress, you know? Okay. Can't believe it, but it's sold out. So I can't go into Mr. Van Gogh. I'm just Van. Not goes. Bro, they're huge. Oh my god. They're huge. Where's my gift? Okay, taste test.
But I don't know. Be like, what is that? They probably got that.
Oh my god, you guys would not believe this. I got the last pancake. Got the last pancake. Yeah. Okay, taste test. Yeah, that's terrible lighting and angle. We got pancake, strawberry, chocolate, and marshmallow. I'm so lucky with that. I was about to leave too. This is way too good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not too sweet. Girl. Bro, this is good. He's so right. He does not need to sell more. Oh, do I need to move? I'm sorry.
No problem.
This is making me so happy. I want to cry. It's so good. You guys would not believe this. I almost lost my card, all of it, my card holder. And then he gave it back to me, the guy from the pancake stand. He was so nice. And then he was like, so you're really lucky. And I was like, I know, thank you so much. And then I told him, you're so good. Damn, I felt lucky sometimes. That was a good choice. Rejection is redirection, guys. I would enjoy this. I had a blast at that market. I would have enjoyed this so much more than the freaking Van Gogh. I can see Van Gogh anywhere, anytime, anyway. But yeah, off to Henneken.
South of place now that's called Judy Valley. But we still grow that until this day, and it's 111 photography. Any questions come to me. Three things. I want to show you first. So here we have the
It's the same thing. was the whole experience.
His experience is good. He's new. Don't worry, it's nice. So guys, how's this go?
Night view. Ooh, I'm feeling that Hennekins. You guessed it. What I'm back with. This was how I came down to get this. Yeah.